if you use grouping in Excel, so these plus and minus that open and close, you'll see that the actual button sits at the bottom, so you can see it's on the sales. And similar with the columns, it's at the end. We can change these so they're actually at the top. So to do this is very simple. You go to data, and where the group ungroup is, you'll see there's a little arrow here, and when we click on it, we get some options. So the first thing I'm going to do is untick this. So the summary rows below detail, I've unticked it. So watch what happens here. When I say OK, it now moves to the top. If we just go back into that, and I do the same with summary columns to the right. So now it's going to go from the right to the left. When I say OK, that grouping button now moves to the left. So under data, in the outline section, this little extra arrow, you can then switch these on and off as you require.